Now let's take a look at the cloud collaboration features built into Interpreter's Help. When you create a glossary in Interpreter's Help, you decide if it will be public or private. Sharing a link to a public glossary, like I did for the exercise in the last module, is easy. Just copy the URL and share it with a colleague to give them read-only access to your glossary. If your glossary is private, you can allow non-members to view it by going to Actions, Share, and creating a link and QR code which you can share with others or simply scan with a camera on a smartphone or tablet. The link and QR code are automatically set to expire in 7 days, but you can tweak settings to share your glossary with non-logged-in colleagues for anywhere between a few hours and a month. In Interpreter's Help, you can also add colleagues to your glossaries as either viewers or editors. Just go to Actions, Share, and search for a member you'd like to share your glossary with. You can see that lots of my colleagues are on Interpreter's Help already. Sharing a glossary with one of them is as easy as clicking the Add button to add them as viewers or editors. They'll receive a link to my glossary via email and see that I've added them to the glossary in the Notifications menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Glossaries shared with you are also visible from the Interpreter's Help dashboard, which you access by clicking on the Home icon on the left-hand side of the screen. If you want to check who you've shared a glossary with or change permissions, look right above the plus line button, where you'll see the number of people who can view your glossary. Want to know who modified a term? Click on the Term History button and you'll see every edit and who made it. Pretty nifty! And it gets cooler than that. The Glossary Farm lets you search for public glossaries, view and like a user's glossaries, search across public glossaries, and even embed glossaries onto a website. Working on a new topic or for a new client? There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Head on over to the Glossary Farm and see what's already out there. If you find a glossary you like, you can make a public or private copy of it. Then you can build it out for your own purposes. For example, by adding new terms, or even adding columns for additional working languages. A Creative Commons license and link to the source glossary help respect intellectual property rights.